Hello everyone. Today, I'll introduce the installation of the push-button dimmer switch of ELEGRP. This dimmer switch works in three-way application. Neutral wire is required for using. In the box, we have these things listed as following. Installation tools needed are listed. In three-way application, there are two wiring ways according to the wire situation in wall boxes. If there are more than 4 wires in each wall box respectively, B wiring way should be adopted, and the dimmer switch should be installed in the wall box, connected to the load fixture, after distinguishing 2 wall boxes. If there are 4 wires in the wall box connected to load fixture, and there are more than 4 wires in the other wall box connected to power source, a wiring way should be adopted, and the dimmer switch should be installed in the wall box connected to the power source. Let's start with three-way B wiring. Turn power off at circuit breaker. Remove the old wall plate and take the old switch out of the wall box. Do not remove wires. Let's figure out which wall box is for the load fixture and which one is for the power source. Turn power on at circuit breaker. Turn off the light. Use the test pencil to test the common terminal, usually black, in each wall box. Blinking and beeping indicate the line wire and the wall box connected to power source. Non-response indicates the load wire and the wall box connected to load fixture. Turn power off at circuit breaker. Label the load wire with load. Label the traveler 1 wire with T1. Label the traveler 2 wire with T2, usually connected to the yellow screws of the original switch. Label the ground wire, green or bare copper with ground, and label the neutral wire, white, with neutral. Label the line wire in the wall box connected to power source with line. Label the traveler 1 wire with T1. Label the traveler 2 wire with T2, usually connected to the yellow screws of the original switch. These 2 traveler wires should correspond one by one with the 2 traveler wires at the load fixture. Remove the old switch and keep the ends of the wires straight. Connect the load wire to the red wire on the dimmer switch. Insert the wires into the wire connector and screw them on clockwise. Connect the T1 wire to the blue wire on the dimmer switch. Connect the T2 wire to the black wire on the dimmer switch. Connect the ground wire to the green wire on the dimmer switch. Connect the neutral wire to the white wire on the dimmer switch. Mount the wall panel. The three-way B wiring requires changing the power source connection. Disconnect the T2 wire from the original screw. Connect the T2 wire to the screw labeled common, usually black, which is the screw connected to the line wire. Mount the wall panel. Turn power on its circuit breaker. Test the dimmer switch to ensure it works properly. 3-DAMI wiring is complete. Next, let's introduce the three-way A wiring. Turn power off at circuit breaker. Remove the old wall plate and take the old switch out of the wall box. Do not remove wires. Turn power on its circuit breaker. Turn off the light. First deal with the power source wall box and locate the common terminal, usually black. Use a test pen to check the wire connected to the common terminal. Blinking and beeping indicate the line wire. Turn power off at circuit breaker. Label the line wire with line. Label the ground wire, green or bare copper with ground, and label the neutral wire, white, with neutral. Label the traveler 1 wire with T1. Label the traveler 2 wire with T2, usually connected to the yellow screws of the original switch. Remove the old switch and keep the ends of the wires straight. Connect the line wire to the black wire on the dimmer switch. Insert the wires into the wire connector and screw them on clockwise. Connect the T1 wire to the red wire on the dimmer switch. Connect the T2 wire to the blue wire on the dimmer switch. Connect the ground wire to the green wire on the dimmer switch. Connect the neutral wire to the white wire on the dimmer switch. Mount the wall panel. For the three-way wiring, you need to modify the wiring inside the light box. Pull out the light. Then you can see 4 wires from wall boxes connected to power source and load fixture, respectively. Label the wires from wall box connected to power source. Label the Traveler 1 wire with T1. Label the Traveler 2 wire with T2. Label the ground wire with ground. And label the neutral wire with neutral. Disconnect black wire from load fixture and black wire of light. Disconnect T1 wire and white wire from load fixture. Connect T1 wire to black wire of light. Disconnect T2 wire and red wire from load fixture. Then connect black wire from load fixture to T2 wire. Connect white wire from load fixture to white wire of light. Insert the disconnected red wire from load fixture into the wire connector and screw it on clockwise. Reinstall the light. Turn power on its circuit breaker. Test the dimmer switch to ensure it works properly. Three-way wiring is complete. If the bulb keeps flickering during use, you can adjust the minimum brightness. Hold the manual off button for 6 seconds. The LED indicator flashes once, entering the minimum brightness adjustment mode. Push dim up button and dim down button to set the minimum brightness of the bulb until the light are on and stable. Press manual off button again. The LED indicator flashes again, indicating the setting is successful.